Yo, what's up? So, I did not take any trades today. I thought I was going to pass my challenge. But I did not take any trades at all because there was two things, right? Okay, so 9 o'clock, it tapped here, which was cool. From this 15-minute low held, but I thought it was still going to go low. Once it hit London, Once it hit London's high, I figured okay, it's gonna go low, yada, yada, yada. But um, we had news at 10, so I could have. I wasn't even looking for longs around here. I did want to short. I was short bias because I thought either it was gonna come touch this gap or it was going to um continue up, but there wasn't really no good entries I saw. Um, I, I I typically want 6 points, so I look for moves that I would get 6 points from. The only ones I saw were, let me see, were this in the morning. This is market open 9:30. The only move I kind of liked um, was this right here, but I didn't take it. Let me see how it would have looked. 10:45. Okay. 10:45 right here. Yeah, see it was too like just ranging here, ranging hit the value almost to the value area low. But again, look, there's no really indication of like of any of anything besides this. We got um big seller here, but it still goes down. Volume is a little lower. Bid and ask difference a little lower, but there wasn't really too much. Maybe this could have been a tail where there was trap sellers down here. You know, like trap sellers here, all this area. They're in profit right here, but they either get stopped out or whatever, whatever. It keeps going up. Keeps going up, and yeah, I didn't really see anything I liked, man. Like it wasn't anything there. There was volume being held right here. Once it broke out, it just dipped up, came back down, tested this area, came back up. 76 to 82. This was another kind of area I was like, oh, maybe I'll long. But I didn't want to switch bias. I knew it was gonna go for at least the Asia high. But look, um, it was 12:45. I stayed on fucking like 12:30, 12:20, and I was like, oh, I'm out. You know, because it was just moving so slow. So I was like, man, fuck this. Like, I don't need to take a trade. But this would have been nice. Because look, I would have entered right at the top. You know, in hindsight, yeah, like, oh, yeah, I would have entered at the top. Like, duh, you know, but look, just fucking 12:46. Yeah, I got off the charts at 12 something. I think I got off around, no, what time did I get off? Hold up, hold up. I'm checking the Discord because I wrote it down, bro. I, I called it out on the chat and at 9:28, so 12:22 right here. It was just ranging, shot up, and then it still would have took me like 15 minutes or so to do it. I don't want to be in a trade for 15 minutes. I'd rather wait, which would have been nice, but look, the breakouts happen here, and then there wasn't really no clear indication. There was no like besides the level that I had marked off. You know, let's see, 1246. 1246. Yeah, see? It's trailing up, big seller here. Okay. This is a stacked imbalance from probably Asia or somewhere else. Oh no, past Asia because the Asia high was right here. So, but yeah, once it came here, came down, I could have waited for it to come up and kind of test this area again where the stacked imbalances was, and then caught 81 to 73. Say, and that's that I get in at this fucking take. Come on, bro. You know, like say I get in here 80. What I need it to be 74 right here. That would have been one nice little play. But look, that's fucking 1 o'clock. Like I was at the gym already bricked up, you know. So I was already getting my pump on. How am I gonna go to the fucking gym? How am I gonna go to the you know? This is past. I would trade 9:30 to 12, bro. I gotta catch a move 9:30 to 12. If it doesn't happen, then I don't force it. I don't have to force it. You know, all I need is one trade to pass my challenge, and then I'm good. It's I want to be patient with it. I'm gonna pass it this week. No worries. But thanks for listening. I just wanted to see on here because I was doing journaling on the MacBook, and I don't have Sierra Chart on that, so I had to jump on the PC real quick. And I was like, oh, let me just hop on and make a little video so I can just remember this, you know. So let me see. I'm gonna pull up Top Step real quick just so you can see. I was going over. See, look, like this is my trade. This is my. So I was kind of like 9:30. I was already looking for. I should have honestly. I should have seen. Okay, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, kind of boom, shot up. Kind of did this. Caught news. Waited for it to retrace or something. Cause look, higher high equal is weird right here. It's still making higher highs. So that's what I'm saying. The only play I probably could have seen long was around here. That, cause after news, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna take anything. So that would have been cool. And the price was kind of just trending up, trending up. Look to Asia high, boom, just to that, and then it shot down. So this is the day high, and this is all time high. So what I'm thinking, it might want to make all new highs, but I don't know. You never can never tell. I wanted to come and play around here a little bit. Maybe take a couple, because it has all this. It has all this here. This big fair value gap, right? On the 1 minute, on the 15 second, on the 15 second. Let me see. Fuck. As far back. Okay. See, it has this fair value gap there. Let me delete that. So let me make. So it has this to there. Wait, I can't even really see it. Okay. Okay, that. It's technically to that. Yeah, let's do it to that. Excuse me. So I'll mark that out. I'll do it in the higher time frames after. And then here to here. Okay. It has these two areas. So I watched TJR, and he says that it's something I didn't even know, where he says that these levels, these fair value gaps, like people want them to hit. People want them to hit. So of course, the market's not going to do what people want. The market's going to do what the market does. So, oh fuck, what did I do? All right. So, it tapped this area. What's tomorrow? Just set it right there to 9:30. Yeah, we got news tomorrow too. So there, if we catch something early, cool. That'd be dope. We catch something early. All right. So it tapped this area, respected, came up. It has a fair value gap here, here to there. So we'll see how this is gonna. We'll see how this is gonna go. Okay. I'll mark up my levels tomorrow in the morning. I want to try that out to kind of get a fresh like the brain rewoken. We have all this sell side liquidity. I don't know if it's sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity, whatever. It's going down, so it's selling. Maybe buy side liquidity. I don't know. I'm gonna look that up. I'm gonna study that today. But for sure, thanks for watching. Appreciate that. All right, peace.